Hello and welcome to Sample Cook. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my vegetable spring rolls. I start by heating up a pan and adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then I add some mixed pepper. So you got the green, the yellow, and the red, half of each one. Then I add a little bit of white cabbage, a little bit of shredded carrots, and a little bit of bean sprouts, and I keep on stirring until they become soft. I also add some spring onion or green onions, 2 garlic cloves, and I add salt and pepper. I prefer the white pepper, some tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and I keep on stirring again for about 5 minutes. And I add some corn flour mixed with water that I prepared earlier so that the vegetable doesn't get dry, and then I keep on cooking it for about 3 minutes. So this is the spring roll sheets that I use. I usually buy them from Asda supermarket, but you can also find them in any of the Asian shops. So you start in by putting your cooked vegetables inside the sheets, around a handful of vegetables. Then you start rolling them. When you get to the end, just seal it with a little bit of water to prevent the filling from leaking out. Now, when cooking my spring rolls, I usually use about 1/4 of oil in a pan, and I put it on a medium heat. And the reason why is because I don't want my spring roll to burn, and I keep an eye on them, then turn them over and cook the other side. Then transfer them to a plate using paper towel to remove excessive oil.